What's up everybody? Hope everybody is well. As you all know, these are all shot at different times, and this particular video will probably be released like in about a couple of weeks. So we are just about to head into a complete shutdown of South Africa, and yeah, I'm not even sure what's going to be happening in a couple of weeks, so it'll be interesting to see. Things are going a bit crazy. Okay, so today's salad, we are going to do some celery, beautiful delicious char grilled peppers. Those are the two sort of main ingredients, is because the char grilled pepper and the sweetness of that, plus the freshness of the celery, I'm guessing should work pretty well. That is going to be on with some almonds and some raisins. We're going to chop up some tomatoes, put our egg on there, and then top it off with a bit of cheese. So let's get to it.